Good morning, guys. How are you guys doing today? It's Thursday, the 4th day of our official lockdown here in Lagos, Nigeria, and I'm just here thinking, okay, 4 days down, 10 days to go. I'm just so bored. But I've been sick. I've been having serious constipation and bloating. Like, I don't know what it is. It's not even about food, because to be honest, I don't eat that much. I know it doesn't seem like it on here, but I don't eat that much. I don't. The other day I had plantain and eggs for breakfast. That was basically what I ate for the whole of that day. I was just snacking on things and all of that. It wasn't like I had breakfast, lunch and dinner. No, I don't do that. And my stomach has just been acting up since Tuesday evening. I thought it was just like normal stomach ache and all of that, but on Wednesday, that was yesterday, it was really worse. I was stooling all through, and the problem is, even when I try to use the toilet, I have to sit down there and force myself for a very long time before I can even do anything. It's crazy. I'm sorry I'm telling you guys all of this TMI, okay, but I feel like we're family here and we talk about everything, like the good, the bad, the highs and the lows, okay? But today, this morning, I had to go to the pharmacy. I know that we're not supposed to be stepping out, but of course the pharmacies are open and you're allowed to go get yourself drugs and all of that. So I had to go get Gestid this morning. It says for heartburn, gas, indigestion and acidity, and I noticed that this actually helps me out with constipation. So yeah, I just got that and took like 2 caps. I don't know if that's overdose or underdose, but that's what I took. Okay, and then my stomach problem is actually affecting my brother, because I've not been able to cook and all of that. The only thing we've been eating are things that I already made before that we have in the freezer. So he'll just microwave and eat. But I'm thinking of making, I'm thinking of making akara. I don't know if that's going to be a lot of work. Let me ask my brother if he would like that. But if he would like it, he has to work as well, because he has to go and pick the beans. It's not me that will do everything for him. You have to be useful as well. Let me ask him. Ah, boy, come. So I'm thinking of making akara. But you have something to do. Do you want to say hi at least?
Say hi already.
I say hi already by raising your armpit.
Fresh armpit.
Now, ma, please don't quit my vlog. I'm saying, if you want us to do akara, you go and pick the beans. 50-50.
I'm with you.
It's louder?
I'm with you.
So you go and pick the beans. Go and pick the beans so I can do the akara. We have bread. You now ask me the quantity of beans you pick.
You give me.
Guys, let me go and give him the quantity of beans. This one that he has agreed to pick beans. Let me quickly go and give him. Shut up! He's picking beans. He will pick beans. Cannot just be eating. So I should not let people know that he's picking beans.
If I make it this money, the first thing I go do, not to call Rihanna.
I'm going to give it to him to pick. I'm not the one picking this beans. No. Take. Pick here the beans. Get it? Don't cast it, but you'll be eating it. When you finish picking the beans, you let me know so that I can do what? Make the akara. I should still bring nylon for you. Be putting it by this side of the tray. Then be putting the ones you pick inside here. He knows how to pick beans, so it's not. All this one he's doing is just demo. But the beans is actually clean. It doesn't have a lot of dirt. Husband material.
1 eternity later.
Guys, so my brother just finished picking the beans and I just added some water into the bowl. Now this water I added will allow the skin of the beans become soft, so it will be easy for me to peel it when I'm ready to do that. So while this is soaking away, I'm just going to try and blend the pepper, chop the onions, because that's what I'll be using for this akara. I don't put a lot of things in my akara, so let's just get to work, okay?
Now you be medicine for my case. Achaluko asanwa. From your head to your toe, you hold me for a walk, oh, baby, oh. You pelele bejalo. Baby, chicken, otabano. Show your face, your baby more. Your beauty, they cool my temper. Baby, chicken, no. I cannot wait to see your face.
Guys, this is how clean I could get my beans. I don't know if there's anybody that can peel their beans so clean like this. If you can, you know that you want to challenge me, let me know in the comment section. I know that there's still a little bit of skin somewhere. Okay, I can't find any. Anyways, this is going to be blended right now. I don't know if I'm going to use the big blender to blend these beans or the dry meal, but I'm going to try and figure it out. I'll just blend it off camera and then show you guys when I'm done, because it's going to be a lot of work and, you know, just a lot of time. Okay, I'll talk to you guys once I'm done blending my beans. Okay guys, so this is how far my blender could go. I beg, I'm pitting that blender. If we eat it like this, we're not going to die, so it's fine. It's smooth but not totally smooth. Of course, you don't even want your beans to be totally smooth when you're making akara. By the way, I need to mention to you guys, this is the consistency you want. Maybe I'm going to add a little bit of water, but you don't want your akara to be running. It's not my you're doing. This is akara, so I'm probably going to add a little more water, or even just leave it like this, you know. But at this point, I'm just going to add the onions. I added some onions to the beans when I was blending it, by the way, okay, and our pepper. Guys, the next thing I'll be adding is some salt. You have to be careful not to over salt it, so I'd rather just put a little quantity and then just taste it to see how much more salt I need. So I'm just going to stir that all in. By the way guys, I don't like to put any seasoning cube in my akara just because I'm a village girl. Okay, so if you add that to yours, that's also fine, but personally I always just keep that part. I just go with my salt, my pepper and my onions, that's all. So I'm just trying to stir it very well, and then I'll taste it to see if the salt is okay. At this point I have my oil on fire, so it's getting hot already. Normally I would blend the pepper with the beans, but I don't want to do that because I don't have shombo. Shombo usually adds a little bit of color to it, but because I don't have that, I'm just going to fry it this way. It will still come out nice. After all, I'm an Igbo girl. We always eat white akara. It's in Lagos here I started eating red akara. Okay? So I'm just going to be adding my beans now with this spoon. Of course, it has some little depth, so let's do this. Guys, this is what our akara looks like right now. I'm just going to allow it turn a little more brown before I take it off the fire. I'm just going to repeat this process till I'm done with all the puree I have. Okay? I know a lot of people don't know how to make akara in their houses, or they just find it really stressful. But me, once I want to eat something, I prefer to make it myself. That's how weird I am. I'm sorry guys. I am so sorry. So on here I already have a bowl with some kitchen paper towel that's going to help me drain some more oil when I take it off the fire. Guys, I'm finally done. Our akara is ready, and this is obviously going to be enough for my brother and I. I'm not going to eat a lot of it though, because I get tired very easily, especially when I'm the one that made the meal. So Yeah, I know it doesn't have the best of shape. This is not the shape you get when you go and buy akara outside, but I don't know how those women get those perfect looking shapes. Guys, if you have any tips, let me know in the comment section. But for now, this will do because we're isolating, and you know we have to be inside and eat what is inside. Okay, so don't look at the outside, look at the inside. Better. What the hell? What the hell was that about? Anyways, our akara is ready. We have bread. I'm going to talk to you guys when I take a bath because I'm sweating, which is why I'm not even showing you guys my face right now. I need to take a quick shower and then I'll talk to you guys while I eat. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye guys. Guys, I finally took a bath and this is my meal. I have a few slices of bread here and my akara and a bottle of water. I need to take water today. I feel like I need to stay away from drinks for a while. Nice. So I just moved in a little bit because I realized that I was really far from you guys. By the way, my breakfast is still here and I'm just thinking of calling my mom now because today is my sister's birthday, our last one. I'm trying to call, let me see, so that you guys can hear my mom's voice. Even if you people cannot see her, at least you hear her voice. And I'll also tell her that I made akara. Not picking up, I don't know why. Hello mommy. How far now? We're using akara to celebrate the birthday.
Okay, who prepared the akara?
I made akara. Everything is cake now. Beans cake, cake is cake. Cake is cake, oh.
Yes, it's bean cake.
Uh-huh.
I love that. I love that.
What of Bebe?
She's the one that brought the phone to me first.
Give her the phone now.
Yeah, come. Hello, brother.
Happy birthday!
Oh, thank you.
So because we cannot go out to buy cake for your birthday now, I decided to do akara.
Who's going akara in that one?
Is it not the same thing? Cake is cake.
Okay. Never tell you that any birthday gift.
I should tell you that he's owing you birthday gift.
It's only birthday gift.
Okay, me, am I owing you?
That money you send to everyone. Are you hearing?
Yes.
That's the general money. So I get to give me my own special birthday gift.
Wait, I don't understand. The money I sent to all of you is general money.
It's general. Even the money person not give everybody is general. She gave me extra 500. So, all you have to send me birthday gift.
Wait, so I'm still going to send you another money for birthday gift?
I don't know. I don't know.
Is it? Am I going to say you should be the last born?
You think you need to be last born? Or am I not
Can you imagine? You're asking me if I think it's easy to be last born.
That should be the first born.
Wow, okay. So I'm the first born and the last born, so we should be attacking ourselves.
Why is becoming smaller to call? It's only a big rat.
I'm big rat.
Now this is becoming smaller, so it's a big rat.
Bye bye, your birthday is over.
My birthday is not over. My birthday is not over.
Bye.
You say bye.
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 Can you guys imagine this girl? I sent her money, I sent my other siblings money, and she's telling me that that one is general money. That I have to send her birthday gift. Wow! I feel like I've been attacked by my sister. Okay, just let me know if your siblings do this to you. Do they attack you like this? Do they come and tell you that this one you sent is general, that you need to give them their special money? Because now I don't understand, I'm confused. Maybe I would have just kept my phone. I don't know who asked me to call this girl now. Oh my god. Guys, now thinking about this food, I'm just like, is this the best meal to have made today? Because I'm having constipation and I'm eating bread and akara, bread and beans, so to speak, you know. I don't know if it's good for my body right now. But then again, I'm just going to eat it because at the end of the day, I'm not going anywhere. If my belly worry me, I run enter my toilet. Do you understand? I can't keep myself. Just because we're locked down does not mean that my toilet has been locked down. Anytime I want to go, I'll enter the toilet. Okay, so I'm just going to finish up this food. Anyway, that's all I have for you guys in today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my brother pick beans and just seeing my sister attack me like this on camera. Wow. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know how you've been coping with the lockdown. Personally, I've been doing more of filming, editing. It just helps me pass time because by the time I finish filming and I take hours to edit and post, it's nightfall already. And then I have a little chat with my brother, see a movie, and just sleep. You know, read a book. Last night I actually registered for an online makeup class. I don't know who sent me a message because to be honest, I don't even know how to draw my brows. And that class is obviously a master class. Wow, better, that's really dumb. But anyways, it's fine. I feel like I'm lost in that class, but oh well, I'm still going to participate. I'm still going to see if I can learn anything from it. If not, I'll drop it because at the end of the day, I cannot really know how to do everything. Alright, thank you guys so much and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye guys.